Hello, hello, hello Brazil, Canada. How are you today? Are you okay? Great. Alright, that's me, Teacher Roy. Today we're gonna play with some numbers, fingers, and clothespin. You know, for clothespin? Don't do it, it hurts. Alright, I'll explain you. First, you need a piece of paper. Actually, 5 pieces of paper. I have this, and then I'm gonna get 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Great. Alright, and you keep this. I have 5 pieces of paper, the same size. I'm gonna use this pen, and I'm gonna write down numbers from 1 until 5. This is the number 1. This is the number 2. This is the number 3. This number 4. And this number 5. Alright? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Great. Get all the papers and you can mix like cards. Okay? Mix, 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 mix. And leave on the table. And you get the first paper. For example, this. I got this paper and I see the number. I hold the paper with my left hand and I show the number with my fingers of my right hand. This is the number 2. Yes, number 2. Alright? Holding with your left hand and show with your fingers with your right hand. Alright, number 2. And then this one. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 4. And 1. And show the finger. Alright? It's number 1. And this is number 3. Show 1, 2, 3. You must show your finger with the other hand. And to finish, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? One hand, the paper with the number. And the other hand, you have to show and describe with your fingers, you know, the number that you see. Alright, 5. You can do it with, you know, with the other side, both sides. And then you do the same thing like cards. Get now with your right hand. You see the number and show with your finger. 1, 2, 3. This is the number 3. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number 5. And then I want this. Oh, this is the number 2. Number 2. And then this is the number 1. Alright? And this is the number 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. Show the paper with the number and show your fingers. That's great. This is to warm up actually. And now you use this paper again. But now you're gonna use the clothespin. Clothespin. I have 1 clothespin and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. I explain you now how to do. Again, you get the paper, and this is number 1. Now you don't use your finger. You're gonna use your clothespin. Doing this. This is the number 1. And you get just one clothespin. Alright? 1 and 1. Great. Now I get the paper. This is the number 3. If it's number 3, you need 3 clothespins and 1. With the other hand, one hand hold the paper, in the other hand get the clothespin and put the clothespin. And 3. Alright? You got it? I'm sure you can get. You can do it. Great. Alright, now this is the number 2. I need 2 clothespins. One here, the bottom, and the other one here. 2. You choose actually when you want, which place do you want to use the clothespin. I use the bottom one here. Alright, this is the number 2. Now, number 5. So I need 5 clothespins. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 on the top. Okay? Great. Great. Very nice. Alright? Leave the number 5 and the last one is number 4. Get 4 clothespins and put one here. Another one on the side. It's up to you. And the other one here. And the other one here. Okay, you finish. It's very important to repeat this. Choose it. Change the hands. Now, for example, if I get the number 3, I hold now the paper with my right hand and I get 3 clothespins. And I use my left hand. Now my left hand. 1 and 2 and 3. I got it. Alright. It's nice, alright? I'm sure that you are gonna enjoy with your mom, playing with your mom, with your dad. Alright? Don't forget, using always both sides. Right hand, left hand, and fingers, and use the clothespin. Alright? Thank you very much, and I see you soon. Brazil, Canada, I love you.